Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a 2015 Chevy Equinox LT all-wheel drive, stock number X624A, 68,000 miles, and this one owner, local trade. We sold this Equinox brand new, crystal red in color. The Equinox is a very safe vehicle. It's an Insurance Institute of Highway Safety's top safety pick. Seats 5 with a cloth interior. Lots of legroom for the rear passengers. Split seat back folds down to accommodate longer cargo items. Backup camera for additional safety. Lots of cargo space in the rear with additional storage cubbies on both sides, as well as power outlet. And very clean, as you can see. This LT has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, power driver's seat, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position, power moonroof, with driver information system, cruise control, steering wheel mounted audio controls so you can keep your hands on the wheel, large touchscreen infotainment system, for radio. It's also satellite radio capable, Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use, or to connect to the Bluetooth enabled devices, great for wireless music streaming. And there's of course where the backup camera display is. Hard keys below for radio, heating and air conditioning, 6-speed automatic transmission with manual shift capability, as well as economy mode. Large storage space in the armrest with USB and auxiliary input, allowing you to connect those media devices. And a spacious glove box with all the owner's materials inside. Power moonroof control. Under the hood, this Equinox has a 2.4 liter, 4-cylinder, 182 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 20 miles to the gallon and the city average of 29 on the highway, and approximately 60% of the tire tread left. For more information on this Equinox, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.